everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Komal Shah. I am a medical retina specialist at Dr. Eye Institute, and today we are going to talk about a problem that affects millions of people around the globe, diabetes, and the way it impacts your vision, especially the retina. The retina is a thin layer at the back part of your eye, and basically it captures light and converts those visual signals and sends those visual signals to your brain. So retina is a tissue which allows you to basically see something. When your blood sugar levels are high for a very long period of time, as in diabetes, the blood vessels in your retina start getting damaged and that leads to vision problems. So today we'll talk about the key things that you need to know about diabetes and retinal health, the symptoms that you need to watch out for. So let's talk more about it. What is diabetic retinopathy? Diabetic retinopathy is a condition where when your sugar levels are high for an extended period of time, that tends to affect the small blood vessels of your retina and they start to get leaky and they start to swell up. So, diabetic retinopathy is basically of two kinds. One is the proliferative and one is the non-proliferative. The non-proliferative is the first stage of diabetic retinopathy where the blood vessels start to get weakened. But the proliferative stage is the most serious one where new blood vessels start forming in your retina and that starts to cause severe vision loss. Signs and symptoms of diabetic retinopathy. So, in the early stages of diabetic retinopathy, it can have no symptom at all. So, it is very crucial that we go for a regular eye checkup, especially to a retina specialist if you are suffering from diabetes. But as the diabetic retinopathy progresses, it can cause some of these symptoms like distorted vision, blurred vision, seeing some black spots or floaters in front of your eye, difficulty in seeing at night, or having an empty patch in your vision, or seeing a dark spot in front of your vision constantly, and it can lead to even severe or sudden vision loss. So, if you see any of these symptoms, you need to consult an eye specialist today. Preventing diabetic retinopathy. So, the good news is that diabetic retinopathy can be slowed down or the progression can be lessened if you take proper care and do some lifestyle changes. So, first thing is that you need to control your blood sugar levels. So, if the blood sugar levels are within range, then the progression of diabetic retinopathy slows down. Second thing is that you need to monitor your blood pressure regularly. So it's essential to keep it in check. Thirdly, and the most important, is getting regular eye checkups done. So if you are suffering from diabetic retinopathy, you need to show a retina specialist who can detect early signs of diabetic retinopathy and can help you preserve your vision. So depending upon the severity of your disease, the retina specialist will tell you how frequent you need to visit him or her. The fourth and the final point is that you need to maintain a balanced lifestyle, do regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and quit smoking. So, all these points not only help you in maintaining a balanced lifestyle and a healthy body, but also helps in protecting your vision. Treatment options. So, if you are suffering from diabetic retinopathy, there are various methods and modalities to protect your vision and to improve your vision. At Dr. Eye Institute, we offer various modalities of treatment for diabetic retinopathy, which include topical medications, intravitreal injections which are given inside your eye, laser treatment to reduce and shrink the blood vessels, and in severe cases, surgery may be required. So, depending upon the severity of your diabetic retinopathy, the retina specialist will decide what treatment will be the most suitable for you. To wrap things up, diabetic retinopathy is a serious eye condition, but it does not always have to lead to complete vision loss. By staying vigilant, controlling your blood sugar levels, and by getting frequent eye checkups, especially retina checkups, you can protect your vision. So, thank you for watching our video. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel by giving a thumbs up. Remember, early detection is the key to protecting your vision. Keep an eye on your health, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.